All right, let's see. Exhaust. New rattle. New rattle. New rattle. Okay. Here's the update on the rattle. Kudos to Jeep Chrysler Corporate. They hooked me up big time. Can't say enough about their assistance with regard to getting me a new tailgate. So I have a new tailgate. Now here's the rub though. The part itself, and this is not a reflection on if the person that helped me to rectify the situation or to get the new part is watching this. I got nothing but love for you. Appreciate everything you did. Not complaining. The one thing I do have to mention, and I'm going to show, is that the part itself it's just two pieces of plate metal tacked together. But check this out. Alright, to be in the interest of full disclosure, I have the TerraFlex HD tire carrier. See, no top third brake light. Got the little guy there, the LED from AEB. So when you close the tailgate, they intend for you to do it via the tire and not to do it by the handle anymore. But watch what happens with, I hope you can see this, and the weight balance isn't completely jacked, but just watch the plate metal here. All I'm doing is lightly pushing on it. So in other words, when you shut the tailgate, you're supposed to shut it by pushing on the tire, like so. That. Because of the HD tire carrier. But now, somebody that doesn't know that is going to try and close it, and they're going to look at that. I can do it with just my thumb and buckle it. So that's their first issue. The second issue, this is just a magnet, was when I was literally standing in the lot before I took possession of the vehicle after they replaced it. It's a brand new tailgate. I can tell that because there are some scratches down here from my golf clubs, and they're no longer there, so it's brand new, all that good stuff. Again, no complaints, but listen. So right there, same place, it's hollow and it's rattling by me hitting it with the butt of my palm. So, with that said, I have to believe that it's just a matter of time before whatever was rattling before starts to rattle in this. Hopefully not.